Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing some work on the Jeep to get it prepared for an off-road trip this weekend. Today you will see me replace the lug nuts on the Jeep here, 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 and here. The reason why I'm replacing the lug nuts is I'm not a really big fan of these acorn style stock nuts, and I want to replace them with black lug nuts that are keyed. And the reason why I'd like them keyed is it helps prevent theft. Also, I just prefer the style that I am putting on, which you're about to see right now. I actually got these for Christmas. Comes with this nice black key. Actually two keys. That's really nice. We need to move some stuff out of the way, preferably this Jeep right here. Yes, the crawler is mobile again. And I need to get it out of the garage so I can make full use of the garage. That way I can park my Jeep in the middle and not have to be cramped on one side of the wall and then between the Jeep and all that, so you know that. I need to get this Jeep out of here, so let me see what I can do about that. Got the Jeep here in the middle of the garage, now it's time to get to work. So I'm going to do these actually one at a time. Put it on hand tight and then torque it down. And one particular reason why I'm doing this is I have wheel spacers, so I can use these stock wheels with my 37-inch Milestar tires. And I do not want to cross thread these studs on my wheel spacers, which by the way, I am using Synergy 1.5-inch wheel spacers for the Jeep JK. Alright, so we have all 5 of these brand new, nice black lug nuts on here. Now we're going to get our key and torque these down with the impact right here, and then we'll do a final torque with the torque wrench. And you want to do this in a star pattern too, so you can have even tightness across the wheel, the studs actually. Sorry, mom brain. And then what I like to do when I do that is I do just a final star pattern like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3 wheels, and then we're going to do a final torque on all the lug nuts. So when you go to torque your lug nuts down, you want to make sure that your torque wrench is going the right way. You don't want to over torque the lug nuts on the wheel spacer too tight. I don't recall what the actual torque spec is for the Synergy wheel spacers, but I feel that 95 is a fair and safe number for this wheel spacer. Now let's go do the other 3. Now it's time to do the spare. You'll still want to do these one at a time. When you take all 3 of them off, it's going to do this. You don't want that because then it'll potentially fall off and it could hurt you if you're not watching for that to happen. So let's go ahead and get these off one at a time. Folks, when you have tires put on by another shop, make sure they don't torque your spare tire down so tight that you're fighting to get your spare tire lug nuts off. Your spare tire lug nuts should not be this tight. I don't have a time machine, so I couldn't put my tires on myself. Wasn't there when they put this on. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, it shouldn't do that. Oh man. Okay. All right, again, we're gonna do this one at a time so the spare tire doesn't fall off. So the spare tire wheel combo is torqued down. Now let's take a look at the lug nuts on the Jeep. Passenger rear, passenger front, driver rear, and the spare tire. Highly recommend hanging on to your stock lug nuts in case that you need them again. You can put them back in the packaging you got your new lug nuts from, or in a little bag. Just something to contain them in so they don't get lost and you have a safe place to put them. You may think that you're done. Oh no, you're not done yet. You gotta remember, you just put on locking lug nuts. How are you gonna get them off if you have a flat tire or if you have to do a tire rotation? What I recommend doing is putting, if you have two keys, put one inside your Jeep. And if you have another one, like, a spare second key, put it somewhere in your garage, wherever that you will remember to find it. That was a fun install. Very easy, very simple to do. I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you enjoyed watching me do all that, and I hope you learned a little bit of something. With that said, this video is over. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, and let me know how I did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.